Hello there, how are you all doing? I thought I'd share with you where I get my flowers from. Actually, I usually get asked where I get my flowers, and I thought I'd do this video today where I'm sharing with you my top Aliexpress stores where I buy flowers you see me use in the DIY videos. I will be linking the stores in the description box for your ease of reference. My number one store is Party Decorative Favors Store. I love this store, you guys, especially for its foam flowers. In fact, all of the foam flowers I use were bought from this shop. The quality is amazing and they have the most realistic foam roses I've ever seen. I have these flowers in light pink, royal blue, red, purple, white. Let me just say in most of the colors available. I usually get my orders within the stipulated shipping time, and at times my orders come in a little earlier. I managed to find some flowers that were still in their inner packaging just so you guys could have an appreciation of how they look like. So this is how the inner packaging looks like, exactly as you are seeing on the screen. And in case you are wondering, no, this video is not sponsored. This is just me sharing with you where I get my flowers from on Aliexpress. The second store is Kahal Official Store. I love this store, especially for peony flowers. They have the most amazing peonies. They have good quality. All the peony flowers you see me use are from this store. Love them. The third shop is Mehon Official Store, which is my number one go-to shop for all my hydrangeas. The flowers come in a variety of colors, and I must mention that you must also be prepared to buy the stems for the hydrangeas separately, as they are not sold as a pack. Allow me to talk about these maple leaves this store also has to offer. I think they're just awesome, and please do have a look at them. Number 4 flower store is called Great Party Decor Store. Definitely a great find for wisteria flowers that of course come in a range of colors. There is something magical about wisteria flowers. They have a way of turning any decoration arrangement into something magical. I mean, just bend the upper part of the flower, hang it, and boom, you have your magical fairy tale floral design. How cool is that? The fifth flower vendor I want to bring to your attention is called Until You Store. This vendor is undeniably one of the best selling shops in dried reed flowers and dried natural pampas grass that are offered in a number of colors. Dried flowers are quickly winning our hearts as flowers of choice due to their warm feeling and versatility of use. I'm yet to buy from this store but couldn't afford to just ignore it. It has great reviews and a decent amount of orders, so I thought I'd just push it in as well.